Man, where are them Honda boys at?
I'm telling you, I can't find Tyler anywhere, man. Let's get over here fucking with the bike.
Tyler, where you at? What the fuck?
What are you doing, Tyler?
What the fuck? What's up, guys? This is the next weekend after Tower Tracks. I'm just sitting here. It's Friday, I work 4:10, so everyone else is still at work, so I'm just chilling. And I figure good time as any to try and get this old hub off and see what's all messed up, because as you can see, two of the studs completely just not there anymore. Or no, the back of this one's still in there, so it's about, that was half a stud in that one. These two studs, a little bent, but they still have threads on them. This is a concern. The bolt's still in there, and yeah. So that's an issue. So I'm gonna pull the hub off and see just how bad it is.
All right.
Yeah. So here's your problem. This where is it? This, there's a bolt under there, and the rest of the mounting, however that, see? That's what it's supposed to look like. That's what it looks like. It's not there anymore. Somewhere along the way, we lost a brake pad. You can see how bent it is, but there's only one brake pad in there, so that's no bueno. So I'm gonna pull the hub the rest of the way off. As you can see, we also got them custom grinded brake pads. But yeah, I'm gonna pull the hub off and see what it looks like. All right. Hub's off. Bolts were a little stuck, but overall, not bad. Surprisingly, the bushings in here aren't that terrible. You can't see that. Hang on, let me turn the camera on. Yeah, like I said, surprisingly, the bushings aren't actually in bad shape. The wheel bearing itself doesn't feel too bad. Now it's full of dirt now, but I mean, it still spins. I think I can get I don't know. The biggest issue is right there, or the where the brake used to attach. You can kind of see it showing its head now, but there needs to be one of those right in Youngster. So this hub is trashed. Axle's still mint. Rhino. My other one on the other side, this piece is lopped off there, so I had to get a new one at River Run. So I got an Armor Tech in that side. But yeah, overall, and there's no cotter pin in there. That thing was like hand tight. But looks like I just need a hub and a rotor. Look, you can see how close that top hole is to the top of the rotor. Let me find you one. Look how much meat's on there. You got shit, a 1/4 inch there, and here you're getting close. So you get the picture. The brake screwed. I drove on it for a couple miles dragging. You can see in the video sparks flying off this thing because River Run's very rocky with their dirt. So yeah, get this thing cleaned up a little bit, and like I said, I'm not gonna try and find, you know, a new hub per se, because it's an 800. But if I can find a nice used one, I can take the bearing out of this if I have to. This bearing's in good shape. Next, what I need to do is figure out the overheating issue. So when we were at Tower Tracks, all I did was, I don't know if you can see if I'm taking the seat out now, but in there's the coolant temp sensor. All I did was unplug it so my fan would stay on all. I just wanted to show you the coolant temp sensor and where it's at. If you pull the seats out, passenger side, right there's your thermostat. There's your sensor right there. There's the wire for it. I just unplugged it. That made the fan stay on. So I need a new one of them guys, and I need to get this area cleaned out because I'm gonna bleed the coolant the right way this time. And in order to do that, you need You need to get in here to the little bleed screw, let the air out off the head. So I'm gonna try and clean some of that mud out of there and try and bleed this thing right.
So Brandon, what are we doing here?
We're working on the shit pile today.
The shit pile. Whose shit pile is this?
It's not mine, okay? I think it's yours.
I think it's yours.
I think it's yours. Anyway, we're just putting a little lift on it.
some 2-inch lift,
Yeah.
but it's more like an inch and a 16.
If the story's against for a truck, I ain't gonna work on this though.
Yeah, probably not. No, yeah, the dude just left to go get a pulley, or not a pulley, a fucking spring compressor, and it's probably not gonna work. But you know, we're not gonna crush his dreams, are we?
Hey, one of your little things on your jack stop.
What? What are you talking about?
Little jacky things are stuck.
Well, the jacky things are stuck. Oh, yeah, it is stuck. Man, fuck that thing. It'll be fine. John's over here worried about a jack, and we got Brandon over here being stupid as fuck, trying to get punched in the dick.
That's Brandon for you, just stupid.
But he is repping the gang, bro. Gang, son. Oh yeah.
You give me a black sticker for the sportsman.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I know, but how's that red gonna look on a red bike? This is that Pullman.
Hell yeah, brother. Hell yeah, brother. Going,
Tires
bro.
and rims coming.
New
Fuck
tires and
these.
rims coming,
I
huh?
don't even know why these are even on.
I don't even think you're gonna have enough power to turn your new tires and rims.
Eat my dick, okay?
I couldn't turn 28-inch swamp plates on my 500. He's gonna turn some outlaws.
You know why? You know why? He's a Honda owner, so.
Yeah, he doesn't understand 23 horsepower is only 23 horsepower.
Look, I had the Big Bear before this, and it's fun. The 28 just fine. It just
You're a
didn't have
liar.
4-wheel drive.
You're a fucking
You only
liar.
had to spend 2 of them.
You're a liar. Yeah, what happened to the Big Bear, Brandon? What happened to the Big
Talk
Bear?
about that.
What happened to the Big Bear?
Well, the battery came out the Big Bear. Get this POS running. And,
That's not the main issue with the Big Bear. What happened with the Big Bear? Did somebody
happened to the
weld
Big
the
Bear?
fucking the steering rack
no,
together
no,
or something?
No, hear me out. That did not happen. That's what happened. Yeah, somebody we welded the steering just so I could go ride one night, and then it's completely fucked now. So plasma cutting, and I guess.
Yeah, it just needs a whole new steering rack, but he's too fucking lazy to do it. He'd rather fix this piece of shit. Fix that. Your lawn? Oh, his? Oh, yeah. Okay. Where is John's lawnmower?
Oh, it's in my yard. You want to do it?
Yeah, you got a trailer now, don't you? Go get the fucking lawnmower.
Eat my dick.
Do a motor swap real quick.
We're gonna motor swap the thing.
I don't know if it's been sitting.
Get a motor swap? Dude, I really wanted to fix my truck this weekend. I was thinking about it. I was thinking about it. I'm like, man, I really gotta fix that thing.
Let's go. I don't care. I got nothing to do this weekend. That lawnmower can wait.
You can motor swap my truck with a lawnmower.
But it'll probably be faster than a Chevy.
Probably fucking will be.
Come look at the key.
What's wrong with the key?
Don't fuck you. This is gonna steal your shit.
Oh, it's already gonna be stolen, probably.
Alright, so the bike's off, right? The key don't come out. Bike's on now? Look at that bullshit, dude. So I gotta disconnect my fucking battery every time I'm taking it public.
Look at his light bar. Look at his light bar.
Oh yeah, go shine the light bulb. He's smashing the relay.
He's flicking the relay and it's turning on. Talking about some bunk ass shit, Brandon.
I think it's meant, dude.
Fucking primo, huh?
If it fits, it sits.
Fucking primo.
Yeah,
It'll be fine. She'll ride.
exactly. She rode here. Barely, but
On a trailer.
What's all the leakage shit, Brandon?
it's a stuck float in the carburetor, you
The
fuck.
stuck float on the carburetor. Why is the float stuck? Did somebody fuck with it?
No.
Not knowing what they were doing?
No.
Are you serious or are you just playing? I think you're playing.
No, I'm serious. Like,
Upside down. That's your fucking problem.
Carburetor's upside down.
Upside down.
no, it's not. No, it's not. It's not upside down.
That motherfucker upside down.
That's your. Well, just your throttle ain't even connected. Your throttle's not connected. Then what is it?
I don't know what the fuck that is, but
Probably just choke.
yeah. But I said fuck it when I was putting it back together because it was like 12 o'clock at night, pitch black, and it was cold.
That's your choke.
I know it's the trick.
Well, you just said you didn't know what it was like 3 seconds ago, so I think you're a liar.
Big facts, big facts.
Don't hurt yourself.
What's going on here, Brandon? You don't even know.
Don't know.
What's going on, John? I feel like you should be explaining.
Using these truck spring compressors to not do truck springs. They don't really fit.
That big go badoing. It finna go badoing on your fucking face. Brandon said he's gonna feel bad when it explodes on John's face, but I'm gonna get a kick out of it. I like it to shoot the fuck off and catch me in the dick.
A little more. That is not on there much at all.
It's fun.
Stand back, boys.
Yeah, watch out. I'm over here trying to enjoy a donut and this fucker is trying to kill me.
I want to hit with the hammer. That's something.
Yep, there it is. So close, but yet so far away.
I got another idea.
You got another idea? No way. Okay, so what we figure out, guys? Take 1 second.
Fuck spring spacers.
Yeah, well, no, we're gonna put the spring pieces on.
We're not putting them on.
No, okay, but so here's the stock Honda Foreman springs, and we just so happen to have Razor 800 springs laying around, so we're gonna try and do this. And if it works, Brandon's gonna have a rough riding fucking Honda, but it's gonna be lifted. Gonna be to the sun.
And I don't give a fuck.
And if that'll work, we're gonna try and do this too. Put the bigger springs in the back.
Holy shit, that's... Hey, these things,
This motherfucker gonna be big. It's fitting to be big as fuck, dude. So, but the only issue,
my boss is like, he's all about this shit too, and he's just gonna be like, dude, what in the fuck is wrong with you, kid?
The only issue we got here is you gotta put the fucking shock in between the exhaust. But I honestly don't think it's gonna be a fucking issue. I think Brandon's just being a bitch about it.
I think it's gonna be an issue. I'm just saying, man. I'm
Nah.
not chopping and cutting shit, so.
All you gotta do is take that heat shield off.
Well, fuck it. We'll take the heat shield. Fuck it.
Because really, you have an extra like 1.5 inches of space. But the heat shield is, and it's not even like the heat shield's on there. It's the fucking hose clamp's on there.
Yeah.
So we're gonna try and fuck around and find out what this is gonna be about. You know.
It's a fuck it type of night for me, dude.
Oh yeah, fuck it, son. Cock him in the neck hand.
He's almost got that bitch on there. I'm kind of screwed.
Oh yeah, you're fucked now. We don't even know if these things are gonna fit. They might not even fit.
They might.
Don't make them
I'm sure they would.
Don't make them fit.
Oh yeah, we're fitting them out. It's so close. Oh yep. She down.
You gonna put the spacer on there too, or what?
No, you ain't gonna fit that spacer. This will be enough lift.
Oh yeah, most definitely.
It's gonna ride like fucking shit, bro. I'm glad you don't give a shit, because I definitely don't give a shit, bro. You just gotta hit it with a hammer. It'll be fine. Just gotta give it a little tap, skis tap.
This socket is so fucking hot.
Or you really probably just gotta throw it at the ground and it'll find its way.
Get up there.
No, right here's fine. It's not gonna fly off. They got the ring on it.
Fucking legit, dude.
They don't ride well in the first place. It's making it even worse.
I don't give a shit how it rides.
It's gonna be good. It's gonna be real good.
Like this was meant to happen.
Well, this is like a straight up conversion kit.
Yeah, like for real.
I reckon that's a full fucking Honda shock right there, pal.
Let's see if it'll fit.
Oh, I'm really waiting for them to put it on to drop the bike and just not press at all.
It's gonna just, dude, it's gonna be so fucked.
It fits.
It fits.
Put it on there. I want to see what
Yeah, I want to put it. Yeah, hurry up and put it on there. Here, we'll bring y'all back when the action's coming again. Because right now, Brandon's gonna take like 30 minutes to put this goddamn shock
He's a
on.
little retarded.
Big facts.
Yeah, he didn't understand how to break a bolt loose earlier. We had to teach him how to do that.
Dude.
All right, guys, we got the razor springs in the front. Look at Brandon, get on that thing.
Get on that
Brandon, give it a bounce. Give it a bounce. She's a little stiff, but she's tall.
Very tall.
That's all that matters.
You can't get any taller on them shocks. She's sitting on a little lip right now where you'd see that she's like 2 inches tooted, but
Yeah, so guys, if you own a fucking Foreman, or probably any type of Honda that is this body style or newer, you could probably just go and buy some fucking 800 springs, and it probably just works.
and they look a lot better
And
than them pussy ass little
it
springs.
gives you roughly like 1.5 inches of lift, and that's like before it's compressed. I'd probably say about like 1 3/8 or so.
It gives you the whole shock minus like an eighth
Yeah,
by the time it
Basically.
settles. But no,
and they're way
it's good.
stiffer too.
Way stiffer.
Way stiffer.
That'll be good when you put some 40s on there.
Yeah, you're gonna put 40s on there soon, right?
I thought it was 45.
That's what I'm talking about.
I don't know.
It'll be fine. We're gonna get it.
Tires just stick out, so it's gonna be like up here.
We're gonna.
So why do you lift it if it's gonna be up there?
These guys are all quitters, and they don't want to fucking try it. But
just
I
had-
think
we
we could
just had
put
to lift
those
it
bad boys on there. But you know, they don't have the heart. They
We
don't
just
have
got
the
the
gold.
cutting. We can make it work.
I can cut anything.
I can cut anything.
I can cut anything.
I can't put it back together, but I'll cut the fuck out of
I
it.
can. Well, you cut, and I'll put it back together. It'll be fine.
Big facts.
Big fact. Big facts.
Just
Hey
basic.
guys. So
This is the end of the video.
that's the end of the video. We got it all done. So you Honda boys out here, ever want to do a spring upgrade? I would recommend not doing this.
Yeah, raise your
Because
hand. Show them how it is.
This is not gonna be a good. I mean, he's standing on it, and it
Give it a bounce.
240 pounds.
Give it a bounce.
Or 220 pounds.
and it didn't go down at all.
And it's barely going
Yeah,
down.
I mean, it's moving like I
And
have
I'm-
to.
Pretty. It's like 2x4s.
And on the back, all we did on the back was you
Put
can't
the
see it.
pucks.
Oh yeah, you can. Put the little pucks on the back. The back's actually not terrible.
Yeah, I mean, like you could do this here. I don't know if you can see it.
You're good.
I mean, that's
It's
this basically feels like a stock suspension from a Honda, but like
this feels like a 2x4.
I mean, dude,
But he's
it
got.
fucking hurts.
But she's up there now.
But I mean, if you want to get lifted pretty low, find some cheap.
And it looks good. It looks beefy. You got some big old springs
I
up
mean,
front.
like, dude, it don't move. It don't fucking move.
No move.
So I mean, she's there for sure. Dude, there must be a police chase because they've been fucking going at it for like 30
Yeah.
minutes.
Probably one of them Honda boys.
Like one of them Honda boys on their little shitty 500s.
All the boys at it again.
You cannot run cops with 25 horsepower.
No, it's not possible.